Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and tonight I'm back in Atlantic City on the Atlantic City Boardwalk at the Ocean Resort and Hotel and Casino. As you can see, it's a stormy night out there in Atlantic City. You can see the observation wheel on the steel pier. I'm going to head downstairs and check out Wahlburgers, a place for burgers here at the Ocean Resort and Casino. I've eaten at Wahlburgers before here. I don't think I recorded it, however, so that's what I'm going to do tonight. There's also a Wahlburgers in Las Vegas that I've never been to. I'm sure there's Wahlburgers everywhere, but this is the second time I'm at a Wahlburgers, and it's here at the Ocean Resort for, again, the second time, only this is the first time I'm making a recording of it. As you guys know, there's nothing I like more than a good juicy burger or a nice slice of pizza, and tonight it's the burger thing, so let's head downstairs and see what's going on at Wahlburgers here at Ocean Resort Hotel and Casino. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in one of my Las Vegas videos, Bagel Mania. Congratulations, Deborah. And also to Wise Malik, who found Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl in one of my very old high roller videos from Las Vegas, that observation wheel. He's been looking for a long time for Mitzi on that video, and he finally found her. Congratulations, Wise Malik. Hold on really tight. This is the sports book here at Ocean Resorts and Casino, and from what I understand, it's going to be completely redone. So next time I visit here, you're going to see a completely different sports book. But I'm not here to talk about sports books and hotels and casinos and room tours and pool tours and boardwalk tours. I'm here to talk about hamburgers. So we're on our way to Wahlburgers to check out how good that burger is. I've had one there before. It was pretty good. But I'm here for one with a camera in my hand, and we'll see if it's any different than the one that I had once before. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and also give the video a thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. This area we're heading into here at Ocean Resorts and Casino is called the District. Lots of restaurants and shops in this area of the building. Straight ahead is Serendipity 3, a gourmet ice cream place that I pretty much grew up with on the Upper East Side of Manhattan. They're building a beautiful ice cream parlor here in the resort hotel and casino. It should be open by the time I visit this place next week or the following week. We're going to check it out. I'm going to order that famous frozen hot chocolate, which is what they're famous for, and I will definitely bring that video to you guys once it opens. And while I'm here next week, I'm also going to check out Mackay for their breakfast. It's a Polynesian-inspired restaurant that just opened up a couple months ago here at the Ocean. Every time I go there, they seem to be closed or half empty. So I think they're going to be a little bit more crowded when I visit next week. I'm going to try their Hawaiian pancakes or Hawaiian French toast and show you guys what it's all about. Well, here we are at the edge of the casino carpet and the hotel marble flooring. We must be at Wahlburgers, and we're going to step inside and check out what their offerings are. Well, as you can see, there's a lot to order from this menu, but I'm going to order those barbecue spicy tater tots. That sounds really good, something you normally don't get at a restaurant. And I'm also going to order the barbecue bacon burger, which is Donnie's choice. I'm not sure who Donnie is, but I'm sure he's a Wahlburger or a Wahlberg? Wahlberg, not a Wahlburger. Donnie's a Wahlberg, not a Wahlburger. But I'm sure he's made a good choice here with the barbecue bacon burger. I'm sure I paid for this collectible green cup that I can take home with me, which I didn't, but I ordered an unsweetened iced tea. That's what it came with, so there's that. And as usual, while I'm waiting for my food, I answer all your lovely comments. Thank you so much, subscribers. I love you from the bottom of my heart. So I got this burger. It's got melted cheese on it with bacon and jalapeno peppers and barbecue sauce, and it looks delicious, and that bun is toasted just perfectly. And I got those tater tots also with some bacon and cheese, and everything looks delicious. I always like to get my tater tots before my burger. I don't know about you people. Not that I get tater tots that often, but if I do get them often, I'd like them before my burger. But I got them with my burger, so I'm just going to have to deal with that tonight. I will not turn this into a tater tot fiasco. They taste really good. By the way, if the cheese and bacon wasn't enough on these tater tots, there's also roasted red onion. Everybody look out! I'm making a mess of the teaspoon of dipping sauce they gave me. That burger is really good. It's juicy. It's cooked to perfection. The bun is just the right type of bun for this burger. Lots of toppings. That cheese is delicious. Again, very juicy, cooked to order. Those jalapeno peppers, if you don't like them, you can obviously just push them aside, but I'm really enjoying the burger as is. But apparently I'm enjoying these tater tots more. So in total, my order came to $27 plus change. The large fountain plus cup drink, I didn't order the plus cup, but it came with one, came to almost $5. The spicy bacon tater tots was $8.95, and the barbecue bacon burger was $13.45. Again, a total of about $27, excluding the gratuity. But for $30 without a tip, and of course I left the tip, it was a decent meal. I was wondering if you've ever eaten here before, or if you haven't, and judging by my video, would you? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.